Hi Dress So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a taco cat. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy cat, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now that my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now I have my eyes in, let's come above each eye. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each one. And then in between the eyes, let's draw a little nose. So let's say about right here. Just going to draw a soft curve, round off the corners, and then just connect softly towards the center and back up. Then we're going to come straight down just a little bit, and then we're going to curve up and cap it off. And same thing here. Curve up and cap it off. Then from there we're gonna have to draw the head, right, which is a big taco. So let's come about right here. Let's say the bottom of our eye. Let's just do that. It's gonna come out nice and wide. Say about right here. And I'll do the same thing over here. Let's just say about right here. So it's kind of even on both sides. And I'm going to draw this big curve over. I just give myself these points so it's just a little bit easier to see what I'm drawing since I'm drawing pretty big. So I'm just going to find my center, say about right here. So I got this big arc. So I'm going to go across and connect. If you're drawing small, you don't need these points. It's just much easier to draw smaller, right? I'm going to come down towards my point. There. Not as easy as I thought, right? This big, humongous curve. Then from there, now that we have the top shape in, we're going to come and bring this down. To about right here. So just slightly underneath the mouth. Not too much. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to start to bring it in. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and connect all this. But I'm going to stop about right here because I want to draw this little paw that comes out. About right here. So let's draw this little big curve and then towards the bottom, another curve that's a little bit flatter. And then you can just add two little curves right here. And let's continue our line all the way until, let's see here, so about right here, I'm going to bring this in just like the other side. So about right here, just like the other side. I'm just going to go backwards so I can see everything a little bit better. And then once again connect, and then two little curves. So whatever is easiest for you to draw these two little paws in there. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw that line first. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back to the center and we're going to draw a stripe. Maybe just like a little, you know, extrally burnt mark on our taco for these stripes right here. It makes sense, right? And then the ears, of course. So in this area right here, I'm just gonna pop out these big cat ears, round off the tip and down. And then for the inside and down. So same thing across. I'm just gonna drag some points so I know where I'm going for my other ear. Just approximate. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's bring this up. Drag some points across, about right there, and bring it down. Okay, so then from there, now I'm looking at my camera, I need to bring this out more. Sorry for the mess. Okay, and then the inside. There. Okay, now I have my 2 ears in. Then from there, we're going to have to draw all the stuff that's inside the taco, right? And to simplify that, we're going to come to about right here, and I'm just going to start to wobble and wiggle some shapes in. So here and there, whatever you need to fill up the space, just wiggle some shapes in there. And then so same thing here, and then just cut it off sometimes, make it smaller, make it longer. Could be lettuce, tomato, cheese, whatever you want, right? But we just want to build in these little shapes in this area. And so same thing here. Now end in about the same area, just like the other side. And make sure I'm about the same on both sides. Okay, so then now that we have that, before I forget, I'm going to have to draw some whiskers right here. So I'll come to the sides right here. And put out 2 whiskers, make it nice and thick. And same thing here. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's take a look, see if we need to put in any more stuff. We'll set the little back right there. And then from there, now that we have some space, I'm going to come about right here and draw a big curve across. So this could either be just like maybe the other side of the taco shell, or it could just be like the back of our cat. I just felt like I needed something more, like another layer to give our cat here a little bit more volume. So I'm drawing this big curve right there, and then from there, about in this area, I'm going to draw this big tail. So this was inspired by this taco cat art that I saw when I googled it on Google, but unfortunately I don't know who the original artist is, so if you do know, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for inspiring me to draw this taco cat, my version of it. So I'm just going to draw some stripes right here, maybe one right here. So that's pretty much it for this crunchy, yummy taco cat. But before we go, I need to add a heart. So I'm just going to tuck one in right here to make it my Draw So Cute taco cat. I really hope you love this, and I helped you draw this cute cat fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.